Okay, how does a paint sprayer work? Well, what does a paint sprayer do? A paint sprayer sprays paint, takes paint that's here in the reservoir, draws it up through a tube, and sprays it via a controlled stream of air. Where does that air come from? That air comes from out here. How does it get in here? Well, inside this housing right here, there's an impeller, and I have an impeller right here, so I'll show you how this works. An impeller is like a propeller, except instead of propelling air, it impels air. And what does that mean? It means that as it turns, it scoops air, and that scooping of air means that the air has to go someplace. Where does the air go? The impeller turbine scoops air so that it directs it out the nozzle. By directing air out through the nozzle, it creates what's called a Venturi force, which draws paint up through this tube. Because there's no more air here now, it's drawing air in from outside. So as the motor spins, it pushes air out and draws new air in. That air is moving so quickly, those air molecules are moving so fast and so quickly, that it is atomizing the paint that's coming through the tube. By atomizing, I mean it's cutting it up into little tiny pieces, into little tiny atoms of paint. And those atoms of paint are so small and weigh so little that the airstream is able to carry the paint outward towards your project and deposit the paint onto your project. That's how a paint sprayer works.